Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Maryland Elementary School, home of the Mako Sharks, here in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District, and I got to speak to the AM/PM program again, the after-school program here today. Such a beautiful afternoon, beautiful weather, and that relates to the theme for the topic that we spoke on with the students and staff, which was about positivity, being your best self, right? And it's easy to be positive on days like today when the sun is shining, but other days it's not so easy, when it's colder out, rainy, stormy. And the same thing with our hearts too, like when it's not going the best in our lives, when things are difficult, things are tough, it's sometimes easy to be very negative, right? And a lot of times as humans, human nature, we focus on the negative instead of the positive. But the main focus today was to say, hey, if we do have any negative thoughts or beliefs in our brain or in our heart, because whatever you tell your brain and heart, it's going to believe, right? We need to be able to focus more on the positive and start to see how things become a lot more positive in our lives too, right? If we think that we're not good enough, not smart enough, not pretty enough, not tall enough, etc., we got to reverse that and say that we can do anything, that we are beautiful, that, kind of step into our greatness. And so the positivity was the, primary topic, but the sub-theme is to be your best self. And part of being your best self is that when things do get rough, tough, and not the easiest, that we don't give up. The opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting or giving up. So if we can just keep pushing, keep persevering, and like my shirt that I wear for this particular program says, keep your head up. You see the words are upside down on purpose. So if we're feeling down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, right? And this was a time in my life that I was going through a lot of pain, a lot of really tough moments, health challenges, problems with my job, friends, family, etc. But I was always able to just keep pushing and keep, moving past some of those really difficult moments, and knowing like some of these tough experiences in our life, they can make us stronger if we let them, that we have that opportunity, right? To really be able to say, hey, yes, this is going to be short, but sometimes the storms have to happen for the rainbows to appear. And we can always, keep continuing and keep reaching out to others. Part of doing your best is being able to ask for help when you need it, right? And also not comparing ourselves to others, that we don't always have to be number one or, be the best, always get first place. But, true excellence is just doing your best, right? Giving the effort, knowing that you can look yourself in the mirror at the end of the day and say, hey, I gave my all. And that's truly all that matters. And that's all the adults that part of this program or at this school really want from our youth, is that they're just giving the effort, right? But if you give the effort, the outcome usually follows. If you plant those positive seeds in here and in here, those positive thoughts, and you start to see, what flourishes is just, these ideas of self-belief, self-esteem, better grades, more friends, and it just keeps building and building and building. Ties into their SHARK acronym too, that all these things, that self-respect, that self-kindness, right, part of their acronym here, if we can really kind of move towards that type of mentality, things are going to look up for us, that things are going to look brighter, and hopefully that's what they got out of the assembly today. So thank you all for touching my heart again. Never forget that you're all true miracles, like the M on our palms. We always talk about that. Upside down W for worthy, that you're all beautiful Maryland Mako miracles, triple M. And, just keep, showing that love, keep showing that kindness. I'll see you all again in 2024. Until then, knowing as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.